What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2014 Triumph Thruxton, the 900. Guys, this bike is awesome. It's got aftermarket exhaust. It's got the cowl for the front, which comes stock with, and then it's got the cowl for the rear, which comes stock with. It's got brand new tires on the front and the rear. It's got, I think, Pirelli. I think it's the Pirelli. Yeah, they're Pirellis. Sport Demon. Guys, this bike's awesome. It was a local trade-in by a guy. This is the walk-around video. It's not perfect. It's got 6,000 miles on it. He did ride it, but it's in really good shape. See that little scuff right there? I got some scuffs on that rear cowl, which is pretty typical. People swinging a leg over the back, getting on and off, stuff like that. Got plenty of tread on the rear. Let's get these British Customs exhausts. They sound awesome. They kind of have that original, like they blew up front, which is kind of how these cafe guys love their pipes to do. Alright, we got a scuff underneath the logo right there. This is all in really good shape. Front fender's got a couple of scratches, you can see those. Like I said, basically brand new tire in the front. Front cowl's in good shape. This has these engine guards here. This is all in really good shape. The exhaust does have some scuffs on it, if you can see that right there. I think it's the same on the other side as well. Yeah, little scuffs right there. Not a big deal, guys. These little white, couple little white specks on the seat. Try getting them off. Try some black with thinner later. Scratch right there. It's got 6,000, I think, on it. 6,040. It's fired up. Let's get this in. Bike runs great, guys. Like I said, 2014 Triumph Thruxton. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. These bikes do not last long. Thanks for watching, guys.